Hi there folks, it's me again with another enthralling video. This one is an update on Super Exchanges Unlimited, which is now on the emulator rather than directly on the Spectrum. I've made several changes to the version I uploaded a couple of weeks ago. Some of them are cosmetic, some of them are a bit internal to the program itself. The cosmetic ones, I've on the matrix made the orange and plum a bit bigger. I'm not sure they look like oranges and plums, but they look better from further away. And also I've done another couple of bits and pieces. If you get more than one line on the matrix, it should really flash the horizontal ones first and then the vertical and then the diagonal, but this didn't do that on the previous video. It did flash them, but in any order it fancied. And when you do get several nudges and it counts up that ladder from 1 up to however many you've got, it should also do so down there, and it wasn't doing that. I'd forgotten to include a call to update the meters at the bottom. I've put all that in now, so I thought we might have 100 credits played by the emulator itself, so here we go.
My turn.
I did say on the previous video that it was rather generous, paying about 250%. I've brought that down now. It should pay around about 140%. So since we put 10 quid in, we should expect 14 quid out. So we'll see how we get on.
This means hell.
As you can probably hear, it's got a few more phrases that it's been programmed with, so it can let you know how disgusted it is. 50p for 8 nudges is indeed disgraceful. Yeah, not much point in gambling the nudges there because there wasn't much for quite a while. Another cosmetic change I made was on that light nudge or auto nudge. The N of auto nudge actually looked more like a K when I got it onto this. I couldn't really see the graphics properly on the television connected to the Spectrum itself, but it was very clear on here, so I've taken care of that as well. One more. You can't win them all, I suppose. We haven't had any lines to give us nudges yet, have we? It's very good at not giving you lines if it doesn't want to. But sometimes it does.
It's a shot off.
I'm glad we've managed one jackpot. It was beginning to look a bit tight, wasn't it? Be doing well to get 2 jackpots in the one video.
Candy bird.
A full matrix.
It's a shot off.
I did say once in 1,000 credits it might give you a full matrix. I wasn't thinking we'd be so lucky to see one today. I've posted several videos of Chances Unlimited, and that should give you the full matrix about once in 1,000 credits. I've never managed to get that one on film, so I'm quite happy with that. At least it proves that it will do it. Well, we got a full line there, but it didn't hold the feature. We're having a bit of silence now after that flurry of jackpots. Remember, we're looking for 14 quid for the winnings. In fact, probably the toughest bit of refining the program. Oh, how many nudges is that? Yeah, the toughest bit of refining the program is trying to get the percentage payout roughly correct. And I'm aiming for 135 to 140, so you get some play, but you don't win everything all the time. Yeah, it's getting upset now at losing all these gambles. It's a lot of trial and error in doing that, changing the parameters and then letting it run for 3,000 credits, playing itself and seeing what the percentage payout is at the end. It's not happy, is it? Still, all that fine tuning on keeps me busy on night shifts, I suppose. Well, was the £14 I was going on about, with 6 more credits to play. So I think it's roughly tuned in the right sort of place. And this video could just as easily have been £8 or 22. It does vary around that much. It's just in the long term. I'm trying to get it round to 140. And I promise I didn't record 50 or 60 attempts at this to get it to 140%, but there we go. It's played 100 credits and it's paid 141%. Not bad. I'm quite happy that it was sufficiently close. So that is the updated version. Many thanks to Chris of Chris217 channel for offering his advice and help and encouragement on this, and indeed on all the others, and for his kind comments. I'd like to thank everybody who's watched this or any of my other videos and offered comments or advice. It's all appreciated. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with the new updates. Let us know what you think. I'm still sufficiently invested in this program to make changes if somebody has seen something they don't like. But other than that, yeah, thank you again very much indeed for watching, and I'll be back with another enthralling instalment very soon. Bye.